Saheed Osupa is a prominent Nigerian Fuji musician, often regarded as one of the leading figures in the genre. He was born on August 7, 1969 in Lagos, Nigeria, though he hails from Ibadan, Oyo State. Saheed Osupa's rise to fame in the Fuji music scene is largely attributed to his unique style and vocal prowess. Early life and background. Saheed Osupa, whose full name is Saheed Osupa Kazim, grew up in a musical environment. From a young age, he was influenced by various music genres, particularly the traditional sounds of Fuji music, which is rooted in Yoruba culture. His passion for music led him to join a local band at the age of 13, marking the beginning of his music career. Music career. Saheed Osupa's career began in the 1980s when he joined the Fuji music scene, but it was in the 1990s that he gained significant recognition. His debut album, Fuji Garbage, released in 1992, was a huge success and helped establish him as a force in the Fuji genre. He is known for his powerful voice, intricate rhythm, and socially conscious lyrics, which address a wide range of topics, including love, life struggles, and the Yoruba cultural heritage. One of the distinguishing features of Osupa's music is his ability to blend traditional Fuji sounds with contemporary influences, thus appealing to a wide audience both in Nigeria and abroad. He has released numerous albums over the years, with many of them achieving great success. Some of his popular albums include Promo-ology, 2000, Kazim Adio, 2004, and Emi Leach, 2009. Contributions to Fuji music. Saheed Osupa is known for revitalizing the Fuji music genre and for his rivalry with other Fuji stars like Pauma Wanda and Kollington Ayinla, both of whom are also considered influential figures in the genre. Despite these rivalries, Osupa's music continues to resonate with fans across various generations. He is also known for his collaborations with other musicians, helping to spread Fuji music to new audiences.